Hi, so my research paper will be about stadium disasters and crowd safety, looking in particular at the case study of the Hillsborough disaster of 1989, which occurred at a Premier League soccer game. The key question that will be discussed in this paper will be who is responsible for keeping fans safe? Is it the clubs who profit from the matches, or the municipalities that police and regulate them? So this is legally be looking at two laws in particular, two acts. Um, these exist in England. The first is the Occupiers Liability Act, which was in 1957, and it basically talks about the clubs owe a duty of care to the spectators. And the second law is the Safety of Sports Grounds Act 1975, um, where basically it says the municipalities play a role of public safety obligations, um, and also ties into the European Convention of Human Rights. So I'll be looking at the Hillsborough disaster in particular, because it was a really big event back home, and a final inquest in 2016 um, ruled that all the victims, about 100, were unlawfully killed due to gross negligence. And then I'll also look at other events that happened in Heysel in Belgium, Ellis Park in South Africa, and Kejuruhan in Indonesia. So each of these disasters occurred from failures across the clubs, municipalities, and the police. Just to kind of emphasize the fact that not one of these should be acting separately. They should all be working together to ensure crowd safety. Um, and then I'll get into the research about who should bear the most liability. And my research so far argues that the clubs should hold the primary responsibility, since they directly benefit from and control the matchday environment. However, they must maintain a good relationship with the municipalities, um, to enforce accountability and safe regulatory enforcement. Um, yeah, thank you for watching.